I think the chairman did everything he possibly could. They're going to continue to lean forward, as he said, for the next couple of years, doing whatever it takes in terms of asset purchases or on interest rates. It really is up to Congress. There is a bipartisan effort to cobble together a $1.5 trillion additional package. I think the odds barely favor that occurring, and that would certainly be helpful going into the fourth quarter.
And Tim, I imagine for the members of the IIF, the banks that is, it's quite frustrating for them too not to see additional fiscal stimulus, because we know about the negative impact that central bank policy can have on them. I mean, sure, it's a great thing when it helps to boost growth, but on the other side of that is this low and in some cases negative interest rate environment in other parts of the world. So how important is it just for that sector to see some more fiscal help?
Oh, incredibly important, Nancy, especially in Europe, where the yield curve has been so unhelpful to net interest margins and bank profitability. Fortunately for banks that have trading operations or other lines of business, they can make it up what they lose on net interest margins. But we need to see fiscal support. We need to see it targeted. We need to get cash in the hands of workers and those who are still unemployed. There's big parts of the U.S. economy that aren't recovering. It won't recover for a long time.
Tim, interesting you mention Europe in particular here, because a lot of talk now around bank consolidation when those reports around UBS and Credit Suisse hit. I know these are banks you know very well. Is this idea of merging and consolidation the only way out of these tough times?
Well, those banks are certainly run by great leaders. Look, there's 6,000 banks across the EU 28. We need to see some consolidation in the industry. Also in the U.S. as well. There are 4,700 banks in the U.S. We will see consolidation over time. We need scale, especially when it comes to the huge technology spend that these companies need to make. So I think it's a trend that will only accelerate with time.